If you're trying to figure out how to live stream to multiple platforms at the same time using OBS, then you came to the right video. In this, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and more, and also tips on how to get the highest quality. So all right, let's jump into this video. All right, I'm at my computer, and the first step we're gonna need to do is sign up for a multi-streaming website. This is just a site that allows us to send the signal out to multiple platforms. My favorite is a website called Restream. Now, we'll wanna go to restream.io. I have the website open right now, and we'll need to sign up for an account on here. Now, I already have an account, but I will have to note the free account allows you to send the signal out to 2 platforms at the same time of your choosing, but it also has a Restream watermark in the corner. If you want to sign up for one of their paid accounts, then you can get rid of that Restream logo in the top corner and also get more platforms that you can send out to at the same time. Now, if you want to sign up for that, I have a link in the description of this video that'll give you a $10 off credit towards your account. So definitely check that out if you're interested. So once we have an account created, we're gonna take the step here that says set up for OBS, Zoom, etc. Hit that, great. And now our next step is on the right-hand side, we're gonna start adding channels. The channels are the different social media platforms that you wanna send your videos to. So let's hit channel here, and I'm gonna add YouTube as a channel. Let's click that and uncheck the follow or keep that and hit channel here. And it's gonna ask you for your sign-in information. Select your account, Tech Boogie TV, and hit allow. Great. Okay, let that go through here. All right, got YouTube loaded. Let's add another channel. Let's add Facebook. I'm gonna add my profile, but we can also add a group page or a page. As you can see, it's really easy. It's really straightforward to do this. All right, cool. So that's really all we need to do on this side for now. Now we need to go to OBS to get that set up to get the signal over. Next, we want to jump into OBS. So now that we have OBS open, let's hit settings over here in the bottom right. And I'm gonna start off with video. So we'll hit video. And I actually want to do a 1080p live stream here. So let's just select 1920 by 1080. Output scaled resolution. Also, let's select 1920 by 1080, great. Common FPS, you want this to be either be 30 or 60 for live streaming, cool. And let's hit stream, and then under service, let's select Restream.io, there we go. Let's hit connect account, and then we will want to go through the steps and just use the same login information that you used on Restream. All right, now Restream is ready to go. Now we want to hit output just to dial in some settings to make sure our quality is on point. Now under video bitrate, for a 1080p stream, you really want it to be between 3000 kbps to 6000. I'm on a pretty slow connection here that I know isn't gonna get me that much speed, so I'm gonna put mine at the minimum of 3000. Audio bitrate 160 should be just fine. All right, hit okay. You see you got these new panels that open now that are Restream dedicated panels. Now let's, under the bottom here, under sources, make sure we have a video source ready to go. So let's add a video source here, video capture device, hit okay, great. Device, let's use my FaceTime camera, sure, why not? And hi, great. And now what we wanna do, let's move these out of the way a little bit more, and let's make sure that this covers our entire, let's actually move these to the side here. So you can actually move these panels and install them and bake them into your view by dragging them to the side. There we go, there we go. Let's adjust that a little bit. All right, now we want to arrange our video capture device so that fills the screen. Perfect. And that is ready to go here. Great, now the last step that we wanna take here before we start streaming is we wanna update our titles. So you can hit this update titles under this new panel that it opened up. And let's do test with Restream. Update all. Now I'm actually gonna set the privacy on here so it doesn't go out to my main broadcast for YouTube. It's in edit settings. And if you see under here, under privacy, you can actually set if it's private, public, unlisted. I'm gonna make this unlisted, great. And let's try it, start streaming. And it'll wait to tell you, yep, streaming on Facebook, YouTube is loading, and we're streaming on both platforms, and that's it. Over here, you see under the right-hand box, this is where it'll collect all the chat messages so you can write to people directly from OBS. And that's it. Thanks for watching my video, y'all. My name is JJ, aka Tech Boogie, and every week I come out with content that helps you boost your business or brand with video. So please subscribe and hit that bell notification. Up next, I'm gonna teach you how to live stream to Instagram using your camera with OBS.